You shaking up good enough?
I hope.
Oh, you give them the whole can?
Yep, you give them the whole can.
So gross.
That's
Good
impressive.
job, buddy.
Oh shit.
He'll get it.
He'll crush it and then drink it off the ground.
Yeah. I was like,
He's
shit.
getting old, man. He's an old guy.
Well, I felt bad like when we were here yesterday because, you know, the one guy said to make sure he gets fed, and I'm over here. I'm like, shit. I was gonna buy another one just so that way I make sure he got fed.
You think that you need all the beer, huh?
Oh, that's one all the bear.
Come on, Kevin.
I love the name though, Kevin Bacon. Yes, freaking love it. Oh, there we go.
Oh, this one here's filling.
This is some really good shit.
what
This is
got
big
you
old Madeira, coming live to you from the Domino Club here, and it is freaking amazing. So, anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at these pigs. I wish I could stream this right now, but I can't. So this is Jem. He is the oldest. He's like 14 years old. And then we got the superstar right here, Kevin Bacon. Yep, right here, Mr. Bacon. How are you doing today? You doing good? That's good.
You good? You know.
All right. Y'all smile now. All right. Anyway, that's going to be it for this one. I hope you all have a great day, and I will be back here soon to be streaming. Be safe, be real, be you.